Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious soufflé using your microwave. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. You will also need a microwave-safe ramekin or mug. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks, placing them into separate bowls. This initial step is crucial for achieving the perfect light and airy texture. Now, let's prepare the batter. In the bowl with the egg yolks, whisk in the 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of flour until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. In the other bowl, beat the egg whites vigorously until they form stiff, glossy peaks. A pinch of salt can help stabilize them. Finally, gently fold the beaten egg whites into the yolk mixture, being careful not to deflate them. It's time to cook your soufflé. Lightly grease your microwave-safe ramekin or mug, then carefully pour the prepared batter into it. Place the dish in the microwave and cook on high power for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Keep a close eye on it, as microwave wattages vary. The soufflé is ready when it's beautifully puffed up and appears set in the center. Your delicious microwave soufflé is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still warm and wonderfully puffed. You can enhance its presentation and taste by garnishing it with a dusting of powdered sugar or some fresh berries. It's a quick and impressive treat. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.